The Danish high-end audio brand Aavik, they've launched a new amplifier. They're calling this the U-301 Unity Amplifier. It's actually not just an amplifier, but it's actually a streaming amplifier. It's an all-in-one solution. It has a DAC inside, and it's powerful, extremely powerful. You're looking at 300 watts output. That's per channel. It's very expensive. It's $17,000. Now, I have to make something very clear. This is my first time covering this brand on this channel, Aavik. I've not even really seen anything or heard anything about their products. I just bumped into this new release from them, and I decided, let me bring you guys the news. Because I know some people want some very niche audio brands like Aavik to know more about these brands. I'm not saying they're not very well known, but there are certainly a lot more popular audio brands around the globe and even in Denmark than Aavik. So now they have decided to bring out this model, and from what they have done, they are saying this new model will replace their 2015 U301, their U300. They launched the original 300 U300 in 2015. So the new U301 will now be the newest upgrade to that older amplifier. And that at that time they listed that model as an integrated amplifier. It didn't have much of the features you're expecting from this modern U301 preamplifier that has streaming capabilities, supports high resolution audio, and more power in terms of output for your speakers. So let's discuss, because there's a lot now that you're getting. You're getting a lot of features with this particular model. It has the ability to run with a separate amplifier. Even if you don't want to use its inbuilt amp output, you can actually use this as a preamp as well. So it can work with an external amplifier if you want to scale your output more for a particular speakers you're running, and that's it allows you to do that. It has other output. There's a single RCA preamp output at the back. It's very versatile, and the cool thing is that unlike the original 300 U300 from 2015, this model has proprietary DSD upscaling DAC. It has that, and it even accepts PCM up to 24-bit 192 kilohertz. There is SPDIF, there is optical inputs, there is the fact that it comes with USB UAC 2.0 connection. There is high resolution audio support for PCM up to 32-bit 384 kilohertz. There is MQA, there is DSD 64, there is DSD 128 support, and the most important thing is the fact that it makes the U301 able to deliver serious output, and it's a top tier model the way I'm seeing it right now. And the cool thing with this particular model, once more, is the fact that it can work with Apple devices. It can work with Apple devices using a wired internet connection and the HGD streaming app for iPad control, and the fact that there's built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this is something this model is basically offering you. And there is also access to Tidal, Qbox, Spotify, and even internet radio, and that's through the AGD app. So this model is very well stacked. Like I said, 300 watts is for each channel into 8 ohms, and it can even deliver 600 watts into 4 ohms. That's peak output. Even if you don't want to use a separate amplifier, this thing has more than enough output for most speakers out there. It should be good enough to run, and why not? It costs $17,000. It should really have a decent output, even if it's in 2 channel. And the other thing with the design is that there is a large LCD display at the front. You also have a control knob, like a big one at the front, and it's decent for what it is. If you want to buy it in Europe, it's priced at 15,000 euros, or around 15,000 pounds if you want to buy it in the European market. So look, it's not that light. It weighs 10.5 kilograms. That's the official weight. So that's it. I'll drop all the necessary information for you guys down below, and also this amplifier will be available for official purchase this October, so it's not really yet out per se for you to buy, but it will be available then. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.